Hi, it's Becca here from Core Potentials Academy, and I'm here today to talk to you about two really wonderful radiant circuits. They are part of what is called the bridge flows. So the bridge flows are about our ability to bridge ourselves and maybe to the divine. Um, these they really help us connect to our intuitive abilities. They are also a great way to get our polarities, our yin and our yang side, to bridge with one another, to work more cooperatively. They help our pituitary and our pineal gland speak with one another so they can process all of the things that need to be done hormonally in our body. And they are a wonderful circuit to trace to really help us feel more connected. Okay, so I'm going to begin with the yin bridge flow. So this one starts at and I'm going to come close up so that you can see. This one starts right at the back of the head at the occipital notch right here. So this is right at the bottom of the skull, and you have kind of a little kind of hollow in there. And we put our fingers here, and then we bring them up over top of our head and down our nose. And then we're going to bring them out to our cheeks right here. And we're going to take a deep breath in, and then we're going to let it out. Then we're going to bring this down to our K27s. So we again have these little notches right here, right by our neck. And we're going to bring this down kind of about an inch and then out an inch. And we're going to bring our fingers right here, and we're going to give them a little bit of a rub. Then we're going to draw hearts, 3 hearts. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to take our hands and we're going to rub all the way down our body to our feet. And when we get to our feet, we're actually going to put our hands underneath our feet, and we're going to kind of lift our bottom. We're going to kind of tug and lift our bottom up in the air. So we're going to do a couple of those. And then we're going to take another deep breath in. Kind of like twerk that little bottom up in the air. Now, since we're down here, it's always nice to give our spleen some love. And we may as well just put our hands to the inside of our big toe, run along the inside of the foot, go up over top of the ankle, and then you're going to come through the inside of the calves, in through the inside of the thighs. Then you're going to spread out to your hips. Then you're going to bring this up to your ribs right here, and then you're going to splay out up to the armpits, and then back down to just underneath the armpits. So now you've traced actually the spleen radiant circuit. All right, I like to throw that in between when I'm doing the two. So now we're going to do the yang bridge flow. So now the yang bridge flow, I like to start at the beginning of my forehead. And what I do is I bring it's going to run down the back side of the body. So I'm going to bring this up over my head, and we're going to come to that occipital notch that I talked about that's right here. And then we're going to start to draw figure 8s. All right, and we're going to kind of grab down here, and we're going to draw more. You can draw them literally on your body. And you're going to draw figure 8s all the way down. You can even use both hands if you want, all the way down your body. You can take your hands and draw them figure 8s along the side of your legs, or you can draw them on the back of your legs, behind your knees, and all the way down to the ground. And since we are back down here again, let's go back up spleen by bringing our hands to the inside of the big toes. We come along the inside of the foot, to the top side of the ankle, to the inside of the calf, the knees, inside the thighs, and then we bring them out to the hips, and we come up to the ribs, and then we bring them up to the side of the breasts and back down again. It's always nice to give spleen some love. So there you go. Those are the 2 bridge flows. Bridge yin, the front side of the body, and bridge yang, the back side of the body with those figure 8s. Okay? Make sure when you want to get more connected to the divine, have a little more intuition, make sure that everything is bridging between your pineal and your pituitary gland, and make sure that we are actually connecting with one another. Do your bridge flows. All right? Bye.